back to my channel. So today we are making a birthday banner. The first thing that I did was to cut a white cardstock into 4 pieces. You can use a pair of scissors or a paper trimmer to cut the papers. I choose to use my paper trimmer because I think it is more safe to use so that all the papers are even. After cutting the cardstock into 4 pieces, I cut 1 inch and 2 inches of the cardstock on both sides. Ensure that they are even before starting your project. I cut 13 pieces of paper using 4 cardstock with 3 pieces leftovers. I did the same for the colored pieces of papers like I did for the cardstocks off camera. Then I fold in 1 inch of the edge of the colored paper. I used red and purple colored paper for the banner background. After folding in the edges of the papers, measure 3.5 inches from the bottom middle of both sides of the paper and cut. So now we have all our papers ready and it's time to make our birthday letters. I made the letters off camera using stencil. I used it in my previous video, so if you are interested in finding out what the stencil is like, feel free to go ahead and watch the video. I will place a link in the description box down below. So right here I'm just tracing over the lines to make it more brighter and visible. Then I used markers to shade in the letters to make it colorful and beautiful. Then I added glue to the white papers and placed them onto the colored pieces. All I did right here was to add pieces of yarn and glued it to the folded part of the colored papers. So here you have it, guys. This is the finished product of the birthday banner, simply and easy. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you all again in my next video. Thanks for watching, stay safe, peace.